Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, we got this cool amazing product right here in my hand. That's by the brand called Gosund. So if you guys remember, I actually made a couple products from this brand. This time we have a really cool product where you guys can actually use it for Alexa devices or the app itself. And you guys can plug in 3 of these AC outlets right here and 3 USB outlets, and you guys can just control it based on the app or Alexa itself. So first thing first, let me actually unbox it and show you guys what comes out the package first before we do the test and everything else. So when you first open the package, you guys can see there's an instruction guide right here of how to set up the product and how to use it and all the different functionality that's on this product. Then we have the actual smart plug itself right here. So if you guys can see right there, there's a little logo right there, power on and power off switch, 3 USB, 3 AC outlets right here. And if you turn on this side, you guys have a reset button in case of any emergency, or if you guys need to reset the device. Right there is where you guys would be able to do it. And right here is the plug where you guys will use to plug it onto the wall outlet, so we want to make sure you guys have that one or it won't work. So that's basically everything that's on our product. Now let me actually go test it out to show you guys what it looks like and how to set up the Alexa device and app and everything else, and then come back and talk about the product. Alright, so here we have the device plugged in with multiple products. So you can see the first one I have here with this cable is being charged. Number looks really weird, but it's charging. Right here you can see it is charging as well. This is the power bank that you can use as a power bank and also as a wall outlet right here. Here we have another one that's plugged in, and then I'm going to plug this onto my iPhone to show you guys whether it actually charges or not. Alright, so it's charging right there, so 3 products work so far. I have one of my heat warmers, hand warmers right here, and you guys can see that it's charging right there. Let me turn on the light so you can see a little bit better. So you can see the light is charging right there. We have our third one right here that's plugged in as well. Then the indicator light to show you guys that it's actually charging. And then we have our little dash cam that I recorded from last time plugged in, so it should turn on if it works. Alright, so it does work. So using multiple of these products at the same time works. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 all works at the same time, which is pretty cool. Alright, so here we have the app that we're going to be downloading to pair onto this device, because you guys can use this app version or Alexa option to actually activate this product, turn it off and on. Alright, so here we have the app all set up. So we're going to activate this device first before we can pair it on here. So the way how you turn it on is by pressing this little button right here, and it should turn on. So you can see these red little buttons on here. So if I turn off the light, you guys can probably see it a little bit better. So you guys can see those red light, that's how you know it's the indicator that it's on, and this is how the little power button shows you guys that it's on as well. So the way how you would pair this device onto here is by clicking on add device here first, and then look for a socket that you guys are using. So in this case, we're probably gonna just try a Wi-Fi one, and it'll tell you guys how to use it. So press and hold this power button for 5 seconds so you can start pairing the device. Alright, so you can see the light is blinking fast now. So what that means is that we can pair onto the device now. And then for the Wi-Fi, you guys want to use a 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi connection, or it won't work correctly if I use a 5 one. So we'll just let it connect to see how long it takes to connect. Once they find the product right there, so I think it found the product, so it should be able to be done soon. Alright, so it found the product, and then you click done. You guys can see on here, so you can control all the different switches on here. So if we click on each one of these switch, you'll turn off each one of these right here. So let's do switch 1 first. If we do switch 2, that one went off. Switch 3 went off, and that one went off as well. So you guys can control the schedule, countdown, the electricity right here to see how much you guys are using as well on here. And if you guys want to just turn all of it on, just click on that and all of them turn on. If you click on that again, all of them turns off. So really easy to use. You guys can also pair this to the Alexa device as well. Let me show you guys how to pair onto the Alexa device. But basically, if you guys are wondering what the app is, right here it goes smart on the Alexa device. So I disabled it just so you guys can see what it looks like. So enable to use, enabling skills, then you have to link the account together. Alright, so it's successfully paired. So we close the device, and then we go back to the discover device page, and then it should work. So just let that find the device, and then you should be able to use the product. Alright, so 5 device discovered. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright, so all your devices are set up. So let's say if I tell Alexa to turn off and on it. So Alexa, turn off switch 1. Bam. And then if you want to turn off all of them, it's called the WP9C. So Alexa, turn off WP9C. Turns it all off. If I want to turn it back on, Alexa, turn on W9PC. And there you guys go. Alright, welcome back guys. So now that you guys saw this test of the product, you can see that it actually does work and work quite well. It was really easy to set up the app itself, Alexa itself, everything was just so easy to set up. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So this product in particular costs around $21, and for that price range, would I say that's actually worth it or not? For me, honestly, I'd say that if you guys need a smart plug like this, or a smart outlet, or a surge protector right here, then definitely get it. Based off everything you guys are getting here as well, so you guys get 3 extra USB outlets here, 3 AC outlets on here. So honestly, it really depends on you guys as a consumer of whether or not you actually need it or not. If you guys don't need it, then obviously don't buy it, because why buy something that you won't actually need or gonna use for a long term. But other than that, that's pretty much it for the little unboxing, testing, and feedback about this product. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, then make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace. And then for today's G Squad fan shout out day, we have